India is carrying out slow-motion genocide in occupied Kashmir through extrajudicial killings and fake encounters to suppress the Kashmiris' ongoing struggle for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops have martyred 8 Kashmiris, including a 60-year-old man in Baramulla, Kulgam and Rajouri districts in the last 3 days and arrested hundreds during cordon and search operations and house raids in the last 1 week. The troops using drones and chemical weapons are brutally targeting the youth. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the killing of 8 innocent Kashmiris by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the killing of 8 innocent persons in fake encounters in Baramulla, Kulgam and Rajouri areas in the last just 3 days is India's plan of slow genocide. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, a constituent of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, has condemned the surge in Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal, in a statement issued in Srinagar, deplored that India has turned the occupied territory into a slaughterhouse. Jammu-based All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Advocate Davinder Singh Bahal has strongly condemned the killing of 8 innocent Kashmiris by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Davinder Singh Bahal, in a statement issued in Jammu, said India has adopted a strategy to suppress the Kashmiris' ongoing freedom struggle. Severe power crisis, which has plunged the occupied Kashmir into darkness, betrays the tall promises made by Narendra Modi-led Indian government about the development in the region while revoking its special status in August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, occupied Kashmir is grappling with the severe shortage of electricity that has left the inhabitants in darkness. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of 3 persons booked under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act. Meanwhile, the High Court has granted bail to the incarcerated Kashmiri journalist and editor of the news portal The Kashmir Wala, Fahad Shah, after he spent almost 2 years in jail.